Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're here, you're probably wondering how to add your Discover card to PayPal, right? It's a super handy step for smoother online shopping and payments. Don't worry, I'll guide you through it step by step in just a few minutes. Let's dive in. First off, make sure you're logged into your PayPal account. If you aren't, head to the PayPal website or app and sign in with your email and password. Once you're in, look for the Wallet or Profile section. It's usually at the top of the page or in the menu. Click on Wallet, and you'll see a list of your current payment methods. There should be a button that says Add a card or Link a new card. Go ahead and tap that. Now, you'll be asked to enter your card details. Type in your Discover card number, the expiration date, the 3-digit CVV code on the back, and your name as it appears on the card. After you submit the information, PayPal might require verification to ensure everything's secure. This could involve a small temporary hold on your card or asking for a code sent via text or email. Just follow the prompts to complete this step. It usually doesn't take long. Once verified, your Discover card will be added to your PayPal account. You can now select it as a payment option for future transactions. Keep in mind, if you run into any issues, like an error message, it might be because not all cards are supported in every region. Double-check PayPal's Help Center for the latest info on compatible cards. And that's it, you're all set. Adding your Discover card makes managing your finances even easier. If this tutorial helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more quick tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.